In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop ChatGPT from sharing your video recordings. If you've been using voice conversations with video in ChatGPT and want tighter control over how those recordings are used, this quick walkthrough will help you turn off the setting that includes your video recordings for model improvement. We won't add extra steps, just a clear path and a few helpful tips so you feel confident about what you're changing. Start by opening ChatGPT. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile. This opens a small menu where you can manage your account and app preferences. From there, click Settings. You'll know you're in the right place when you see sections that cover preferences, account details, and privacy-related options. Inside Settings, find and select Data Controls. This is the privacy hub where you decide how your content helps improve the product. It's the place to manage whether your interactions are used to train and refine features. Next, look for the option labeled Improve the model for everyone. Click it to open its details. Here you'll see voice options. Under voice options, locate the Include Your Video Recordings section. This is the control that determines whether video recordings from your voice conversations are included to help improve ChatGPT. Toggle this setting off. When it's off, your future video recordings from voice conversations won't be included for model improvement. Take a moment to confirm the toggle shows as off before you close the menu. That's really all you need to do. This change takes effect going forward and will apply across devices when you're signed in with the same account. A few quick tips in case something looks different on your screen. The wording and layout can vary slightly depending on your app version or platform. If you don't see the Data Control section or the voice options right away, make sure you're running the latest version of the app, then check again. On some screens, the Improve the Model for Everyone area opens as its own panel. On others, it's embedded within Data Controls. If you still don't see the Include Your Video Recordings toggle, it may be because video features aren't available on your account yet. That's it. By turning off Include Your Video Recordings under Improve the Model for Everyone, you've stopped ChatGPT from sharing your video recordings for model improvement while keeping the rest of the app working as usual. You can revisit the same place anytime to review or adjust your privacy settings as your needs change.